अङ्गं हरेः पुलकभूषणमाश्रयन्ती भृङ्गाङ्गनेव मुकुलाभरणन्तमालम् अङ्गीकृताखिलविभूतिरपाङ्गलीला माङ्गल्यदास्तु मम मङ्गलदेवतायाः. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, who dwells like a delightful ornament within Hari, like bees that are attracted to the half-open buds of the black tamala tree and decorate them with their humming sound. The one who carries within her the opulence of the entire world and showers wealth through her divine glance. May that glance bring auspiciousness and prosperity into my life. Mugdha muhurvidadhati vadane murareः prematrapa pranihitani gata gatani मालादृशोर्मधुकरीव महोत्पलेया सा मे श्रियं दिशतु सागरसम्भवायाः. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, whose glances are directed towards the face of Hari, Murari. Charmed by his face, her glances are filled with love and bashfulness as they return to his face time and again. Her glances are like the honey bees that hover around the huge water lily. She who has risen from the ocean of milk, may she bestow her glance filled with good fortune upon me. विश्वामरेन्द्रपदविभ्रमदानदक्षम् आनन्दहेतुरधिकं मुरविद्विषोऽपि ईशन्निषीदतु मयि क्षणमीक्षणार्धम् इन्दीवरोदरसहोदरमिन्दिरायाः. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, she who with a mere side glance could grant the exalted position of the king of the three worlds to Indra. This made the enemy of Madhu, who is the supreme bliss, overwhelmed with joy. I pray that a glance through the splendor of those half-closed eyes resembling blue lotuses could rest on me for just a moment. आमीलिताक्षमधिगम्य मुदा मुकुन्दम् आनन्दकन्दमनिमेषमनङ्गतन्त्रम् आकेकरस्थितकनीनिकपक्ष्मनेत्रम् भूत्यै भवेन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनाया. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, who has captured the joyous face of Mukunda through her fully opened eyes, her gaze remaining on his ecstatic face with closed eyes. Her glance is filled with happiness and love. Let a glance that lavishes Mukunda, he who rests on the snake, from the corner of her eyes, come to rest on me. Bhavantare madhujitah shritakaustupeya haravaliv harinilamayi vibhati kamaprada bhagavatopi katakshamala kalyanamavahatu me kamalalayaya. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, who resides in the heart of the conqueror of demon Madhu, where lies the Kaustubha Mani, the most valuable gem in the world. Her glances shine like a bluish yellow string of pearls that raise love in Hari. Through her string of side glances, may the one who resides in lotuses bless me with those side glances, touch my life, and bring auspiciousness and wealth to me. कालाम्बुदालिललितो रसिकैटभारेर् धाराधरे स्फुरति या तडिदङ्गनेव मातुः समस्तजगतां महनीयमूर्तिर्भद्राणि मे दिशतु भार्गवनन्दनायाः. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, she who hovers like a bee, like a streak of lightning flashing over the bosom that resembles a black cloudy sky, the bosom of the one who killed Kaitava, the gracious mother of the whole universe, the daughter of the mighty sage Bhargava. May her auspicious form touch my life and bring me prosperity. प्राप्तं पदं प्रथमतः किल यत्प्रभावान् माङ्गल्यभाजिमधुमाथिनिमन्मथेन मय्या पतेत्तदिह मन्थरमीक्षणार्धं मन्दालसञ्चमकरालयकन्यकायाः. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, through whose power Manmatha, the god of love, was able to reach the one who slew Madhu, Hari, who is always connected with the one who bestows happiness. May the power from the glance of that kind and gentle half-open eyes, full of love and blessings, a glance so soft of the daughter of the ocean, fall upon me. दद्यद्दयानुपवनो द्रविणाम्बुधाराम् अस्मिन् न किञ्चन विहङ्गशिशौ विहन्ने दुष्कर्मघर्मवपनीय चिराय दूरम् नारायणप्रणयिनी नयनाम्बुवाः. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, and may she bestow the wind of her mercy and shower her wealth on this destitute, helpless like the child of a bird, driven by poverty. May she remove the impact of the burden of sins from my life. May she bestow the shower of rain of mercy from her eyes, she, the beloved of Narayana. Ishta vishistamatayopi yaya dayardra दृष्ट्या त्रिविष्टपदं सुलभं लभन्ते दृष्टिः प्ररुष्टकमलोदरदीप्तिरिष्टां पुष्टिं कृषीष्ट मम पुष्करविष्टरायाः. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi. With just her divine glance, even the most difficult desires, like attaining a place in heaven, can be achieved. This is the power of her moist, compassionate eyes, the kindest eyes one can ever see. Her glance that bears the splendor of a lotus in bloom, that magical, joyous moment. May it come my way. May the merciful glance of the one seated in a lotus nourish my wishes. गीर्देवतेति गरुडध्वजसुन्दरीति शाकम्भरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकेलिषु संस्थितायै तस्यै नमस्त्रिभुवनैकगुरोस्तरुण्यै. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi. She is the goddess of knowledge and speech. She is the beautiful consort of the one who carries Garuda as his emblem. She who sustains everyone with nature and vegetation, the beloved and consort of the one with the crescent moon. She who observes the divine play of creation, maintenance and destruction. The youthful consort of the Guru of all the worlds. The three worlds offer her their revered salutations. Shrutyai namostu shubhakarma phalaprasutyai ratyai namostu ramaniya gunarnavayai Shakyai namostu shatapatra niketanayai Pushtyai namostu purushottama vallabhayai. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, she who symbolizes the Vedas that help produce auspicious and positive results in life. She who is Rati, an ocean of good qualities. She who is revered as Shakti, one who resides in the abode of 100 petals. Salutations to you as the one who nourishes, the goddess of plenty, the beloved of Purushottama. Namostu nalika nibhananayai Namostu dugdho dadhijanma bhutyai Namostu somamruta sodarayai Namostu narayana vallabhayai. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, the one who has the face of a lotus in full bloom. Salutations to you, the one born of the ocean of milk, along with the moon and the divine nectar. Salutations to you, the most beloved of Narayana. Sampatkarani sakalendriyanandanani Samanyadana vibhavani saroruhakshi Twadvandanani duritaharanodhyatani Mameva matarani shankalayantu manye. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, to the one whose lotus eyes are the cause of all prosperity and who is the cause of great joy in all senses. She of the lotus eyes, who has the power to bestow kingdoms, singing your glories brings forth your grace that removes all difficulties, miseries and the sins from our life. Mother, may I be always be blessed to serve you and sing your glories. Yat kataksha samupasana vidhihi sevakasya sakalartha sampadaha santanoti vachanangamanasais Tvam murari hridayeshwarim bhaje. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi, the worship of your side glance that is blessed by the entire wealth and prosperity you bestow upon me. May my thoughts, words and deeds be enveloped by your worship. You who are the beloved goddess residing in the heart of Murari. सरसिजनिलये सरोजहस्ते धवलतमांशुकगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरि प्रसीद मह्यम्. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi. She who abides in the lotus and holds the lotus in her hands. She who is dressed in dazzling white and is adorned with the most fragrant garlands and radiates a divine aura. She who is the most beloved of Hari and the source of immense happiness and is captivating. She who is the source of prosperity and well-being for all the three worlds. O Mother, please grace me with your compassion. Dighastivih kanaka kumbha mukha vasrushta Swarvahini vimalacharu jalaplutangim Pratar namami jagatam jananim ashesha Lokadhinatha gruhini mamrutabdhiputrim. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi. She who is bathed by the holy waters of Ganges that flows from heaven, showered from all directions in golden pitchers by the 8 elephants. The water is pure and flows from the celestial region and beautifies her. I salute the Mother of the eternal universe early in the morning. She who is the consort of the Supreme Being, the preserver, and the daughter of the ocean that gives nectar. Kamale kamalaksha vallabhe Tvam karuna pura tarangitairapangai Avalokaya mamakinchananam Prathamam patramakrutrimam dayaya. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi. She who is the lotus-eyed of her beloved Hari. She whose eyes are filled with kindness and compassion. Please look at me, this utterly destitute, and make me the first deserving to be in the path of your unconditional compassion. Stuvanti ye stutibhiramubhiranvaham Trayim tribhuvanamataram ramam Gunadhika gurutara bhagya bhagino Bhavanti te bhuvi buddha bhavitashaya. Salutations to Mother Lakshmi. Those who sing this hymn every day and glorify, she who is the Supreme Goddess, the embodiment of the Vedas, the Mother of the three worlds, will receive blessings of virtues in abundance. They shall be blessed to have the wise in their destiny and will become wise by her awakening of their wisdom.